my name is Colleen, and thank you for joining me in the kitchen today. Today I'm going to be cooking French toast. What you'll need to bust out is a pan, a shallow dish, cooking spray, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg, a 1/4 cup of milk. I'm going to be using a second dish because I'm new to cracking eggs and I don't want to get any shells, and 4 slices of bread. You can double the recipe if you want to make more. So the first thing we're going to do is turn the pan to medium heat. Right there. There we go. And now we're going to be putting in our cinnamon. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Just like that. Put that in the plate. And we're going to be using half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. There's already half a teaspoon in here, so I'm just going to pour it from the bottle. There we go. Going to be using a 1/4 cup of milk. 1/4 cup. Coming right up. That's about a 1/4 cup. There we are. Pour that in there. Ooh. And now I'm going to be cracking my 1 egg. So let's open the egg carton. Here we are. Take 1 egg, crack it on the side of the bowl like this. Got a good crack in there, and just break it apart. Are there any eggshells? No, I don't see any. So let's just put that in there too. Now we're going to mix everything together. Mix it all together. All the cinnamon from the side of the plate. Smells good. So now that we're done mixing, put that on the side. Just before we put our bread in, we're going to put in some cooking spray. There we go. Wait, forgot some. There we are. Now put in 1 piece of bread. That in there, then flip it over. Then let it drizzle, and then we're going to put it onto the pan. Then we're going to take this second piece of bread, soak that in the mixture, and then we're going to put it in as well, and then wait for them to. Now I'm going to get some and flip them for a minute or 2, and now we're going to flip it over. We are. And do the same with the other one. Flip. And then we're going to let that side cook for 1 to 2 minutes, and then we're going to do the same with the other 2 pieces of bread. So now we're cooking last 2 pieces of bread. We're going to let them cook on each side for 1 to 2 minutes, and then we're ready to decorate. So now we're done cooking our cinnamon French toast. I'm going to dust it in a little bit of icing sugar. And including a little bit of maple syrup on each one, like that. And I like to enjoy my cinnamon French toast with a nice cold glass of milk. Thank you for joining me in the kitchen today.